In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness covered the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light.
And God saw the light, that it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness.
God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters."
And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. And the evening and the morning were the second day.
And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good.
Let the earth bring forth vegetation, plants yielding seed and fruit trees bearing fruit with seed in them, each according to its kind. And it was so.
The earth brought forth vegetation, plants yielding seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seed in them, each according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the third.
And God said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the heavens to separate the day from the night. Let them be for signs and for seasons, and for days and years. And let them be lights in the expanse of the heavens to give light upon the earth." And it
God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day, and the lesser light to govern the night. He made the stars also. And God set them in the expanse of the heavens to give light upon the earth.
And there was evening, and there was morning, the fourth day.
And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven."
So God created the great creatures of the sea and every living thing with which the water teems and that moves about in it, according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to its kind.
And God said, "Let the earth bring forth living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, creatures that move along the ground, and wild animals, each according to its kind." So God made the wild animals according to their kind.
Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, the birds of the sky, the livestock, all the earth."
So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them. Male and female he created them.
So God created humankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and care for it. Rule over the fish of the sea."
And God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish of the sea, the birds of the sky, and every living creature that moves on the ground. Be fruitful."
And to every beast of the earth, and to every bird of the air, and to everything that creeps on the ground, to all in which there is the breath of life, I have given every green plant for food. And it
Behold, I have given you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food.
God saw everything that he had made, and indeed it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the sixth day. Thus the heavens and the earth were completed in all their vast array.
And God saw everything that he had made, and, behold, it was very good. And the evening and the morning were the sixth day. Thus the heavens and the earth were finished, and all the host of them.
And on the seventh day God ended his work which he had made,
And he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had made, and God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because that in it he had rested from all his work which God created and made. Genesis.
So the Lord God caused the man to fall into a deep sleep. And while he slept, he took one of the man's ribs, closed up its place with flesh. From the rib he had taken, the Lord God fashioned a woman, and he brought her to the man. Then the man said, "This at last is bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, because she was taken out of man."